Left is basic, right is glowing. Let me show you how to get this shiny soft skin glow in Photoshop under 1 minute. First open Photoshop and upload your photo. Now go to the channels panel, select the blue channel and make a duplicate. Next go to image, adjustments, labels. Drag the shadow slider to the right and the highlights to the left. Adjust the mid-tone until the bright areas become more visible. Now click this icon at the bottom to select the highlighted areas. And delete the blue copy. Go back to the layers panel, hold Ctrl and J and copy the selected area from the background layer. Right click the layer and convert it to a smart object. Change the blending mode to screen. Then go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. For this image, I'll set it to 15 and click OK. And that's it, just look at the before and after. Finally, if you want to remove the effect from any areas, just add a layer mask and paint over it with the black brush. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.